Hi guys. What I bring to you today is Tesla's newly launched Model 3 Highland Yoke Steering Wheel. In order to improve the driving experience of Tesla Model 3 Highland, Tesla developed this matching yoke steering wheel for Tesla Model 3 Highland. It can enhance my driving pleasure while adding a sense of luxury to the interior of the car. Even after replacing the steering wheel, the original functions will not be affected at all. You can see that after replacing the steering wheel, the field of view has also been improved. Next, I will use a fixed camera position to show the replacement process. Comments are welcome.